Ano masasabi mo?
Ang tamis.
Wow, grabe guys. Sobrang sarap. Hey guys, what's up and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new to this video, please don't forget to click subscribe and also hit the notification bell for it to be updated in my next video. And if you love to, you can also click that like button, write some comments and share this video. And for this video guys, we will make a cake, and not just a cake but the Fudgee BarrCake with a twist. So are you ready? Okay, so let's check it out. And for today's video guys, I have some guests and she's a friend of mine and she will help me in making our Fudgee BarrCake. So lovely, simple and gorgeous. Please help me welcome Faith Janin De Gracia.
Hi guys! I'm super duper to make a Fudgee BarrCake. So let's do it.
Ginagawa mo!
No! No! No!
I'm super duper excited too to make a Fudgee BarrCake.
Yes,
with
so
you,
I'm
Jerry.
also excited and I just want to say thank you for being with me this time in making our Fudgee BarrCake.
Salamat din kasi
Okay.
namin ng kaibigan mo. Ako yung pinili mo.
Sana all pinili kasi ako guys, hindi ako pinili. Kasi ako guys, hindi ako
Ginagawa mo.
pinili. Okay, so before we start, so shout out para kay Christian Boy Del Pozo, for Sheila Marie Palanca, Mondrian Anga and Ana Zalapa. So if you want to be shout out guys, just comment down below at isa-shout out kita in my next video. So for this time, let's have first the ingredients. So first, a Fudgee Barr.
And second is the all-purpose cream.
Yes, and next one guys is a Cowbell Condensada.
And the last with
Our
cream
twist.
is the Graham cracker.
Yes, and the Ace Biscuits. So these Ace Biscuits guys, we will crush these Ace Biscuits and put it as toppings for our Fudgee BarrCake.
And also Jerry, napaka-affordable.
Yeah, super affordable guys. Okay, so are you ready? Okay, so let's start. ayun guys, so tapos na kaming gumawa ng homemade fudgy bar cake.
With the twist of Graham's and Ace biscuits.
Nice.
So ito na siya guys. Woo! Grabe, sobrang sarap nito.
I'm sure napaka-sweet niyan, gaya niyang pagmamahal ko sa kanya.
Ginagawa mo.
But before that guys, before namin kainin to, ilalagay muna natin siya sa ref for at least 30 minutes.
A few moments later.
For this time, so finally titikman na namin yung ginawa naming homemade fudgy bar cake with a twist of Graham crackers and Ace biscuits. So ito na siya guys. Wow, grabe, sobrang sarap nito guys. Okay, wow. So are you ready? Ready ka na bang tikman to?
Ready!
So if you're ready, I'm also super ready. So titikman na namin siya guys. Okay. Wow, grabe. Sobrang sarap nito. Wow, grabe. Titikim pa ako ulit. So ano masasabi mo?
Ang tamis.
Wow, grabe guys. Sobrang sarap.
Ang tamis, guys. Parang
Yeah, so
sarap.
pag ginawa mo isang bagay na may pagmamahal at puso, talagang super sarap. And guys, I hope that this video helped you how to make your homemade fudgy bar cake. So it's really a great opportunity guys, lalo na ngayon na naka-home quarantine ka, pag wala kang oras, naboboard ka, pwede kang gumawa ng sarili mong version sa homemade fudgy bar cake. And it's also a great opportunity to have a quality time and bonding with your family. At ano pang pwede mo masabi?
At saka,
Super affordable guys.
super affordable. Make bonding with your
Yes,
parents.
so the ingredients
Or-
guys and the cost of this fudgy bar
Or
cake,
your
I'll just put it in the description below. So meron ka bang sasabihin? Meron ka bang sasabihin?
Pa-shoutout nga pala ako sa aking mga kaklase. At saka yung mga guro ko dyan.
Yes.
Stay safe.
Yeah, so kung hindi ka pa nakakapag-subscribe guys, please do subscribe. So see you in my next video.